An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We're now at Leviticus chapter 6 in verse 1 up to verse 7. The Lord told Moses what the people must do when they commit other sins against the Lord. You have seen if you rob or cheat someone, if you keep back money or valuables left in your care, or if you find something and claim not to have it. When this happens, you must return what doesn't belong to you and pay the owner a fine of 20%. In addition, you must either bring to the priest a ram that has nothing wrong with it, or else pay him for one. The priest will then offer it as a sacrifice to make things right, and you will be forgiven for what you did wrong. So, this passage is about the common mistakes or common sin that the people make and the consequence on doing such mistake or such sin. So, this revealed that even in the Old Testament, the so-called justice system already exists, okay? And of course, during their time, there is already an existing penalty for such sin or such mistake. So yes, so we must realize that everything we do, whether good or bad, there is a consequence to it. Okay? So, in the Old Testament, if you do the cheating, if you do the robbing, and if you claim what is not yours, then face the penalty, face the consequence. However, we must realize that this is an Old Testament law or Old Testament rule. And we are now in the New Testament, right? So we must view this as a biblical principle for our moral compass, okay? For us to understand that cheating, robbing, or claiming what is not yours is indeed not right even in front of God. And in everything you do, there is a consequence.